week 2 ng aking art auction bidding through Facebook. So, kailangan ko siyang balutin na ngayon for delivery. This is my second week doing it. So, medyo napalaki yung matting na meron ako sa bahay. So, kailangan ko siya na yung bawasan. So, medyo makalat lang yung table. Sorry na. So, ayan. Nagme-measure na ako nung excess na matting na kailangan kong ibawas dun sa matting para humasya siya dun sa ating frame. I was really grateful kay Sir Raul, yung winning bidder natin for this piece. It's his first time to join yung bidding na ginagawa ko online sa Facebook. So, kailangan ko nang bawas yung sinukat ko na excess na matting. Hindi ko siyang gupitin kasi naiwan ko yung cutter sa exhibit menu. So, ito na siya ngayon. Smaller na siya. The artwork is 4 by 6 inches lang. So, it has small artworks you can put on the desk. I also put the certificate of authenticity sa back, sa loob ng frame mismo. So, ayan na siya. Also, kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng wax paper. And I've been doing yung art auction, art bidding online for second week na ngayon. Ito yung way ko to pay back people who supported the craft yung beginning through auction and bidding, possibly that they could purchase the piece in lower prices if wala sila masyadong kompetensya sa bidding. I also usually add a freebies dun sa artwork, which is a limited edition postcard printed from original artworks. This from my other group, the Obret Mayhem. You can also check us on Facebook and Instagram. So, dapat thank you ako dun sa support and sa pagtangkilik sa ating craft and of course sa pag-support sa visual arts na ating ginagawa. So, kailangan ko na siya ngayong i-wrap sa bubble wrap para secure na siya before mag-trap by sa JNT. Though yung travel naman ng artworks is galing na dito sa Mandaluyong to Makati. Excited and hopefully magustuhan ng mga winning bidders yung artwork. I called this piece Spontaneous Soul. This is already copy number 5. So this is Spontaneous Soul 005. Ginagawa ko siya usually when I'm trying to let go, I'm trying to reduce yung stress since mas non-figurative siya and mas spontaneous